Well, it's not just a stop, it's a destination. Wally's is opening its first Indiana location in Whitestown.
Wally's is located, or will be located, just northwest of Indianapolis in a little community called Whitestown, Indiana. It's about 150 miles from where we live. They're supposed to open this spring. They're talking about maybe by Memorial Day. So we're thinking that construction should be well underway. And we checked it out, and there's no flight restrictions over there. Hopefully we can find a nice place to fly the drone and give you guys a look at what a Wally's looks like under construction. Wally's is kind of similar to buc-ees on a little smaller scale, but we've never actually been to one. They say this store in Indiana is going to be 54,000 square feet with about 80 gas pumps. So if you compare that to the one they're building in Ohio, it's going to be 74,000 square feet and about 100 gas pumps. So not too far off. So we've never been to one before, and we're kind of looking forward to when it opens so we can go inside and take you guys with us, show you what a Wally's is all about. But for now, we're just going to take a road trip through the countryside of Indiana.
Follow us.
This is what the Wally's looks like as you exit northbound I-65 at exit 133. Well, we hope you enjoyed this drone video of the Wally's that's under construction here north of Indianapolis in Whitestown, Indiana. This is going to be the third Wally's in the chain. They've got one in Pontiac, Illinois, and Fenton, Missouri. This is going to be the largest of the three. The store is supposed to be 54,000 square feet with 80 plus gas pumps plus EV chargers. And we've never been to a Wally's before, so kind of looking forward to this one opening up so we can come over here and check it out. I guess Wally's is kind of the closest competition you're going to get to a buc-ees, but until we actually get to see one, we really won't know. I know from the air, it looks a lot smaller than the buc-ees that we've been filming under construction over in Huber Heights, Ohio. It's still a pretty good-sized store. With the snow on the ground, it's really kind of hard to see some of the progress that's been made on the ground, but there were a few guys on the back of the building working.
And this one looks like it's a lot taller. in structure, and it's going to have a lot of glass windows in the frontage. It does have a self-serve kiosk inside, unlike the buc-ees would, which is a nice feature.
I know one thing that I'll say about the Wallys compared to a buc-ees is they got a very cool sign that they put in front of the building. I'm really looking forward to seeing that, especially at night. Wallys is known as the home of the Great American Road Trip. According to their website, they have great service, tasty food, clean restrooms, and unexpected necessities. So we're looking forward to it opening. The information that we found online said this was supposed to open in the fall of 2026. We also saw some information that said they were hoping to be open by Memorial Day. So I don't know. It's first week of January, and looking at the construction site and comparing that to the buc-ees that we've been following in Ohio, I think that Memorial Day might be a little bit of a push for them, but we'll see.
You never know.
Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to try and make it over here for the grand opening.
It looks like the Wallys is going to have like your carving station, your coffees, your beverages, popcorn, beef jerky, and sweet treats, which is probably the ice cream.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll be screaming fresh brisket on the board.
They are going to have, they do have barbecue. It shows on their site, in the pictures I've seen, they have barbecue, pizza, popcorn. And
we also saw a picture where they have like an RV or a replica of an RV, or maybe it's a real RV inside the store, for the Great American Road Trip. So kind of looking forward to seeing how Wally's presents everything compared to a buc-ees. I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to thank you guys for coming along. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button for us.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.